Yo, what's up everyone? It's Alfez. AI is no longer just a futuristic buzzword. It's here, it's powerful, and it's making millionaires every day. But you don't need a tech degree or millions in capital to leverage AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000 a month using AI tools in 2025. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or just someone looking for a side hustle. We're talking about using these tools to boost your productivity, automate tasks, and even create entirely new income streams. From writing killer content, to designing eye-catching graphics, and even building full-blown businesses, AI is changing the game. So, if you're ready to level up your income and future-proof your career, stick around because we're diving deep into the world of AI and how you can make it work for you. Let's dive in. First, why AI? Why are we even talking about this? Well, AI tools are taking over, and I mean every industry out there. From marketing and content creation to e-commerce and even customer service, AI is everywhere. And it's not just a trend, it's the future of how we work. Reports show that the global AI market is projected to reach a mind-blowing $1 trillion by 2030. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a coding whiz or build your own AI from scratch to cash in on this revolution. You just need to know how to use the tools effectively. Tools like ChatGPT are changing the way we write, Canva is making design accessible to everyone, and Midjourney can create stunning visuals that would have taken a professional artist hours to make. These tools are not only incredibly powerful, but they're also affordable and user-friendly. You don't need a massive budget or years of technical experience to get started. And the potential? We're talking about building a six-figure income stream using these tools. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Alfez, is this for real? And the answer is a resounding yes. Look, I'm not here to sell you on some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about leveraging powerful technology to create real, sustainable income. The demand for AI-powered services is skyrocketing, and it's only going to increase in the coming years. Businesses are constantly looking for ways to streamline their processes, create better content, and reach more customers. By mastering these AI tools, you position yourself as an invaluable asset in this new digital landscape. You'll have the skills and knowledge to help businesses thrive in this AI-driven world. We're talking about real opportunities to create a career and income you love on your own terms. So whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking to make some extra cash on the side, AI has something to offer you. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this AI money. First up, let's talk about content. In the digital age, content is king. Businesses, influencers, even your favorite YouTubers. Everyone needs high-quality content to engage their audience and grow their platforms. But here's the catch. Creating great content takes time. A lot of time. And let's face it, not everyone has the time or the skills to write compelling blog posts, craft engaging social media captions, or produce high-quality video scripts. That's where you come in, armed with the power of AI. You can become their secret weapon, their content creation machine. Imagine using AI to write blog posts that rank on Google's first page, design Instagram graphics that stop scrollers in their tracks, or even generate YouTube video scripts just like this one. And the best part, you don't need to be a master wordsmith or a Photoshop wizard to make it happen. AI tools do the heavy lifting for you. Let me give you a real-world example. Let's say a small business needs 10 Instagram posts per month to keep their feed fresh and engaging. With AI, you can create those posts in under 2 hours, complete with captions, hashtags, and even schedule them to post automatically. Charge that client $500 a month, a steal for them. And with just 5 clients, you're looking at $2,500 a month. Now scale that up by offering additional services like blog writing, website copywriting, or even video editing using AI-powered tools. The possibilities are endless, and the earning potential is massive. And here's the kicker. As AI technology continues to evolve, these tools are only going to get more powerful and easier to use. That means you can create even better content in even less time, allowing you to take on more clients and scale your income even further. The key is to specialize and become an expert in a specific niche. By positioning yourself as a specialist, you'll attract higher-paying clients who are willing to invest in your expertise. Let's talk